regarding the Mudflaps, I ordered these for trucks with OEM flares. These are the OEM rubber mats. Front is part number 8221-6222AA, and the rear for a dually is 8221-6220AA. And these do look to be, the rears do have the Ram logo on them. The fronts are unbranded. These are genuine Mopar from the dealer. I paid about $100 for both of them. Looks to be virgin rubber as well, not like crushed recycled tires. That's pretty nice. These should look pretty gangster on the back end. I also bought these Husky liners to use originally, but I was never a fan of these hard plastic ones. They came in, but then I realized I can get OEM rubber ones. So you could tell right away how much more extra coverage you're gonna have with these guys. You know, I don't know exactly where they mount up. Say it's like this or something. Way more coverage with this guy. These are gonna look much better on a dually application, in my opinion. So I'll be sending these guys back again. These are about 40 bucks maybe, and these were about maybe 50 or so from the dealer.
Today we're going to be going over how to remove this fender flare, which is the tape is peeled off and is not sticking to the body anymore. I don't know if there was poor prep or if it was the Arizona heat. So that's what we're going to do. We're also going to remove this inner fender liner so I can get a bit more corrosion X inside, get a little bit more protection for the body and the body cavities. And then we're going to go ahead and install the OEM mud flaps, which go here. So these are OEM Mopar rubber mud flaps, and these are for trucks with flares, and they go on something like so. So clearly you can see no tape, and the danger of that is you have dirt that can get in between here and start scratching away at the paint and eventually cause corrosion.
Quick tip here, when this is the flare here. When you're taking off this old double-sided tape, you want to use a heat gun, and what you're going to do is roll the tape up. It'll kind of come up. You get it pretty warm. Get it to the point where it's pretty warm to touch, and then roll it up. That gets most of it. And whatever's left over, use a bit of xylene as a cheap adhesive remover. Xylene works much better than anything else, and it's one of the safer ones for plastic.
Okay, very good. We got the everything sprayed down in here. Fenders are all prepped and clean. So I'm going to be reinstalling the liner first, get it tacked into position with these clips. Alright, so we're pretty much ready. I'm gonna put the big plug here. This is the big locating plug. The key is here with these guys, so everything sits real nice, is I like to start at the front here and basically peel off a little edge. Alright, you got a little piece started here at the front, so I'm going to start bolting it from the back, and this is going to be the last thing to kind of come in. That's done. So here's our OEM flare with the Mopar logo. To get this done, fronts are very easy. Take out the 2 bottom screws as your guide. Take out the 3 screws here. This requires 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of these line up with the stock holes, and this one goes into the plastic, which will require, it comes with this plastic rivet. You do need to own a 1/4 inch capable rivet gun, and a 1/4 inch drill to get this done, and I'll show you how to do that. Start from the top. And let's make sure right here this is lining up nicely. Now, for the inside here, I forgot to put this little washer on. It's not a big deal. But there you have it. This is how to put on the front OEM mud guards.
Going to be installing those rear mud flaps now. Step 1, remove the beauty cover, and then we're going to remove the wheel. Alright, put these guys on. As you can see, it's asking for these 2 OEM ones. This is forward direction, this is the back, obviously. So we have the cutout the way they're asking for it as well. This goes towards the inside. Obviously, Ram logo to the outside. And they also want you to add another hole here. That is into metal, and I'm not going to be drilling that because I don't want to compromise that at all. There you go, mud flap done.
For the mud flaps, look like this fully installed.